Today, Cruisin, Connecticut is all presented by Middlebury Consignment.
Yeah, and this weekend you can set sail to the 43rd Annual Progressive Norwalk Boat Show.
So it's going to be a beautiful 4 days here for the show. Totally sunny or partly cloudy to stroll the docks and look at boats. And, you know, for us, it's just the last taste of summer. You get to be out here and be by the water and board and compare boats. You just love it.
Every year at the Progressive Norwalk Boat Show, there's something new to see.
And this year we have an awesome new Touch a Boat tour for the kids, where kids can climb on board real police and rescue boats and talk with captains and learn about what life in the sea is all about.
And keep in mind that you can save some money this year with a 50% tax savings if you buy your new boat.
Really, the point of the show is to shop for your own boat, and most of the boats you're going to find here can be financed for $250 or less per month.
And there's 300 boats for every budget and lifestyle, from center consoles to sport fishers to family runabouts and even yachts.
All right, you ready to go see the show?
I'm pumped up. I'm ready to rock.
I got our loaner life jackets.
Oh.
One is just your size.
Thank you. That's very flattering. Welcome to my humble abode, the USS Kristafer. Climb aboard. This is like a $4 million yacht.
This is a $4 million Azimuth 66. It is a huge salon that we're standing in, and it has 4 staterooms downstairs. It has as many heads as you need. It has an awesome helm with every electronic that you could ever want. You have joystick docking. You have point-to-point hands-free navigation, which means I can say we're in Norwalk and we want to go to Martha's Vineyard, and I can basically let the boat do most of the work for me and hardly even do anything at the wheel. So if this is your type of boat, this is what you're buying. But we also have boats for every budget and lifestyle.
That's us, right? $4 million.
Yeah, we're the $4 million crew.
The $4 million club. Cool.